I was gonna show you a little bit of Bargra and Bundaberg. So here we have the sugar cane fields, and they are pretty much everywhere surrounding Bundaberg. And there is the Bundaberg ginger beer factory. Heading to the gym, doing a back workout, and always remember to warm up, get the blood going. I started to do this more and more single arm pull-ups with assistant weight. And then one of my favorites, I've done this for all the years that I've been training. It's called back rack. So it's like a deadlift, but you don't use the legs. You only focus on the lower back. And supersetting with some pull-ups. Some lat pull down with my favorite grip, the narrow grip. If you haven't tried it, try it. Here is a new exercise that I started doing. So I put a heavy weight on and I'm just holding it for around 90 seconds to stretch out the lats. And then I'm doing an exercise for my traps. It's nice to have some variety, not only doing shrugs when you're training traps. If you like this type of voiceover while I'm working out, please comment below and I can do a full workout and take you through all the exercises, sets, reps, why I'm doing it, and how to do it, and yeah. It's raining, so I was thinking it's a perfect day to do some laundry. And here is the Bundaberg city center. And like I said in the previous vlog, it's like a small town, but it is big. It's 70,000 people living there, but it feels small. I love palm trees. It's time for some laundry, but I had to take out some cash before. That laundromat didn't take card. Like I said, it was a perfect day to do some laundry. I love doing laundry when it's raining, actually. It just makes that day feels very productive. Okay. I mean, rainy day. Not that fun, but yeah, I've been productive. Did my laundry, well needed. And I uploaded 6 videos on YouTube. So they are scheduled, one for each day. Went to the gym, had a really good back workout. But yeah, it's a bit depressing, the weather. But what can you do? Like, when it is weather like this, I try to stay positive and be productive, do stuff, so I feel a little bit better that I've done stuff during the day. And then usually I'm trying to plan a little bit for the next day. So yeah, tomorrow I haven't told you, so I'm staying in Bundaberg tonight. I left Bargara, stayed there for 2 nights, and now I'm in Bundaberg. No, yeah, Bundaberg. Yeah, I'm in Bundaberg now, and staying at this camp spot. There's a couple of long terms, but I like them. Long terms means safe, usually. I'm thinking about, because my mattress, like when I bought it, he's like, yeah, you're not gonna go wrong with this one. It's gonna last for years. But it's already so soft. So I'm thinking about buying a new mattress tomorrow. There's a shop just 2 minutes from here. I'm gonna go and have a look tomorrow. And then go to the gym, have a leg workout, and then I'm driving to Agnes Water, my favorite place. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Other than that, tonight I'm gonna eat and yeah, just take it easy. Maybe call my friends or something, catching up. Not really sure. But yeah, currently raining right now. So yeah, thinking about, should I tell a joke? I'm not really good at telling jokes. So no, I'm not. I'm not gonna. I'm the joke. Pretty much, I'm the joke. I'm the joke. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have a short video today, so this is pretty much the video. Just a little update. Also reminded to myself, if I look back, that even though it was raining for a couple of days, I've stayed productive and I've stayed positive and I've done things. And yeah, I mean, it's been good days. It's just that, of course, I missed the beach and I really want to go out and try my surfboard. But yeah, so we end it here. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and listen to my new song. It's in the description. It's a banger. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Wait. Hold up. Is this the tail?